See, there's a river flowing down, the same Kuttiadi river, it's flowing down there. I can hear the noise, a very good one. It's real, it brings a true tranquility to your senses. So right now, as I was traveling, you can see the river which I told you earlier, it's coming closer to us. Yeah, basically we have a river flowing at the backdrop, and just now I saw a well. If you are very thirsty, because you walk a long distance in the jungle and you become thirsty, you don't want to go near the river because it's infested by snakes and other animals. So basically you come down to a well like this, and I want to show you what inside a well. You come down, we humans come down to a well like this, and we end up in this shit. This is created by us. Not by the animals, not by the snakes, or not by any other mammals, but only one mammal is to be blamed, and that's humans. The human race is trying to disintegrate the whole of this planet, eat out the plastics and everything. I don't know how much years it will take for all this plastic to get out of here, or if any authority, if any government will try to clean this up. I am asking you again not to use plastics inside jungles. Please. Come down as we travel. You see our first bathing area. Basically there are a few steps. You can go down over there and have a good bath with your family, with your friends. And there's a raised platform over here. If you want to come inside, sit down, relax with your friends and have your food. Because inside the jungle you won't find a very good area or a carpet area for yourself to sit down. So basically you have to enjoy it when you're in a jungle. Enjoy it like you are a jungle man. So guys, let's keep walking into Janagi Ghat. After a walk of close to 20 minutes, I'm seriously getting sweating, as you can see. Yeah, because it's humid over here. We can see a few worn out buildings around, building structures around over here, and we are at a T-cross junction. At one place it says it has a temple. Someone told me there's a very old temple inside this jungle, so we will take our walk in that direction and see what temple that it is and how it is. So guys, follow me. We have to be very extra careful from now on, because we are entering into snake territories, where someone told me we have king cobras over here. So we are basically entering into a snake territory. Hopefully we will encounter a snake, but my crew, they don't want to encounter a snake. But basically I would like to meet some snakes if it's there, and I am literally very much interested in getting to that temple. So as soon as we can get into the temple, that's good, because it may rain at any moment. So guys, come to the jungle.